Aloha, welcome to Tiki Pizza. I'm Chiappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go to a pizza franchise. They got them everywhere called Blaze. The deal is it's kind of like a Subway. So you just go down the line and you can put whatever toppings on your pizza and they do a fire brick oven pizza. It's spectacular. So check it out. We'll get some shredded mozzarella and some of the fresh mozzarella. And can I get a little bit of ricotta too? And then we'll get ham, pepperoni, I'll get some artichokes.
What else?
The roasted peppers, red peppers. Some green peppers, and then just a little bit of jalapeno. And
A little bit, right?
yeah.
This one is good or most?
That's perfect.
What else can I get?
I think we're good.
Maybe a sea salt or doing that something?
Yeah, a little sea salt, a little oregano. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.